Lecture 152. Science of Shapeshifting in Folklore. Slide 1. Start. In the shadows of human mythology lurks a fascinating phenomenon that has captivated minds for millennia: the ability to transform one's physical form at will. Welcome to our exploration of the science behind shapeshifting in folklore. Throughout history, tales of humans transforming into wolves, bears, or foxes have permeated every culture. But what drives these persistent narratives? What scientific truths might lie beneath these supernatural stories? Let's begin with the werewolf, perhaps the most infamous shapeshifter in Western folklore. From medieval Europe to modern cinema, the image of a human transforming into a wolf under the full moon has become deeply embedded in our collective consciousness. But werewolves aren't alone. Native American traditions speak of skinwalkers, powerful beings capable of assuming animal forms. In East Asian folklore, fox spirits master the art of human transformation through centuries of mystical practice. Now, let's delve into the biological realm. Nature itself presents us with remarkable examples of transformation. Consider the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a butterfly, a complete cellular reorganization that science is still working to fully understand. At the cellular level, our bodies constantly transform. Through genetic expression and protein synthesis, cells change their form and function. This biological plasticity might help explain why shapeshifting seems so plausible to the human mind. But what about the psychological aspects? Clinical lycanthropy, a rare psychiatric condition where individuals believe they can transform into animals, offers intriguing insights into the human psyche's relationship with transformation. Historical accounts of shapeshifting often coincide with the use of certain plants and fungi. These substances, containing powerful hallucinogens, could induce vivid transformative experiences that felt completely real to the user. Some parasitic infections can dramatically alter behavior. Toxoplasma gondii, for instance, can make rats attracted to cat urine, essentially transforming their natural instincts. Could similar infections have influenced shapeshifting legends? Modern science brings us closer to understanding and potentially achieving physical transformation. CRISPR gene editing technology allows us to modify genetic code with unprecedented precision. Could we one day engineer controlled biological transformations? Biomimicry research has led to the development of shape-changing materials that respond to environmental stimuli. These innovations echo the ancient dreams of transformation found in folklore. The intersection of neuroscience and virtual reality is creating new ways to experience bodily transformation. Through advanced haptic feedback and neural interfaces, we can now simulate the experience of inhabiting different forms. As we peer through the lens of science at these ancient tales, we find that the line between mythology and reality isn't always clear. The human desire to transform reflects both our limitations and our unlimited imagination. Perhaps the most profound transformation isn't physical at all, but in our understanding of what's possible. As science advances, the dreams of our ancestors begin to look less like fantasy and more like prophecy.